Hello everyone, this is Sir Said. Hope you are doing well. From today onwards, we are going to start Physics A2, and you have already done Physics AS level, and now we are going to start Physics A2. It is 9702. Today we have a small introduction related with the papers, the paper pattern, and some syllabus content which you will study in A2 course. First of all, you have done with the paper 1, paper 2, and paper 3. But in A2 or in A levels, you have paper 4 and 5. In paper 4, you have A-level structured questions. This is in fact the theory portion, like you have paper A2, paper 2. Uh, in paper 4, we have the structured questions, and all the questions are from some particular chapters of A2, but you may also know the basic knowledge of the chapters which you have already studied in AS. In paper 5, we have planning, analysis, and evaluation. This paper, in fact, is similar to ATP, which you have done in your IGCSE or A level, O levels. This is a quite simple one. There are some basic techniques. If you know the basic techniques, then you will be able to solve planning, analysis, and evaluation. It consists of two questions, in fact. On the next slide, basically in paper 4, the total time for this paper is 2 hours and total marks are 100. You have the structured questions, and the syllabus is uh, all A level, and you must know the knowledge of AS level as well. And this paper covers 38.5% of the A levels, but in fact for A2 it is actually the 50%. And next you have this paper 5. This paper is 1 hour and 15 minutes, 30 marks, and you have two compulsory questions. In paper 4, all the questions are compulsory. There is no choice in paper 4 as well. But in paper 5, you have two compulsory questions. And in this paper, in fact, the examiner wants to check your skills, your practical assessment, and your basic knowledge, your mathematics, your practice on the graphs, and some basic calculations. And this paper consists of 11.5% of the A levels, in fact. And next you have these chapters which you have already done in your AS levels. The physical quantities, the kinematics, dynamics, force, density, pressure, work, power, energy, deformation, wave superposition, electricity, and the particle physics. You have done these 11 chapters in your AS, but now on we have these chapters from 12 to 15. Uh, Motion in a circle and the gravitational field are similar. These are considered to be one chapter. And then we have some thermal physics, the temperature, ideal gas, and the thermodynamics. The other portion is the oscillations related with the harmonic motions. Then you have electric field. This chapter is in fact shifted from AS to A2. And then you have the capacitance, the capacitors and their formations, their circuits. And then we have the magnetic field here, and then alternating current AC. This is the quantum physics, nuclear physics, and some medical physics, astronomy, and cosmology. This astronomy and cosmology is also the new edition. Uh, we will start from this chapter, the circular motion and the gravitation. In fact, after having the knowledge of circular motion and the gravitation, you will be able to solve question number 1 of paper 4. And the paper pattern, the sequence of the paper question is similar to the sequence of these chapters, in fact. And there is no choice in this paper. You have to attempt all the questions, because some years back there was a choice for solving paper 4, but now there is no choice. And then you have a question from the thermal physics and so on. A2 is not difficult, in fact, because you know that you don't have MCQs in A2. It is interesting, but you have to work hard to learn it, because it consists of so many, uh, the formulas. If you know the formula, you will be able to solve the questions. And this uh, video is just the basic introduction of the chapters and the paper pattern. In the next lesson, we will start learning from the circular motion and gravitation. And thank you very much, and good luck.